Then I got this parcel delivered today. This is the inverter, grid tie inverter, 2000 watts. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing. I ordered this ages ago, about 4 or 5 weeks ago, and I ordered it from AliExpress. It was the first time I've ever used AliExpress, and 3 weeks had gone by and I still hadn't received it. So I sent them a message asking what was going on, because the tracking information wouldn't work, and they got back to me and says that the first tracking company sent it back to them. So they sent it out by another courier company, sent it out by another courier company, and then that courier company sent it back to them. So it was sent back twice, and then they posted it out again, and then it was denied because it had to get some form of x-ray scan, no idea. So we were near enough 4 weeks in at the process, and basically I decided to ask for my money back, so that's what I did. And they refunded me my money back, and I went to eBay and purchased it on eBay, and that was a week ago, and it's arrived here 7 days later. So first time using AliExpress, more than likely going to be the last time using AliExpress. So let's open this up and see what we get. So we have the instruction manuals, nice and simple. Here is that's the Wi-Fi dongle for it. Open that up later. Little extension cable for the Wi-Fi dongle. What else we got? This, I believe, is the CT clamp. So this is what limits the power. You use this so that you only power back to your house what the house is using. Therefore you're not really sending anything back to the grid, because we don't want to waste the batteries, don't want to waste any excess power. Let's see if we can get this out. Mains power cable with the right plug on it, that's handy. So this is the new one that comes with the Wi-Fi port there. That's your DC or solar inputs, your internal or external limiter. So I will be using the internal limiter on this. And this end is your fans and your AC output. Yeah. So there's the sticker that tells you the specifications. That zooms in, if you can see that. It's pretty hard to see on the camera, I reckon. But what we have is the 2000 watt model, and it puts out between 185 and 265 volts AC, and the input voltage range for the DC is 45 volts to 90 volts. So that will be powered by the batteries, which I'm currently setting up. That'll be on another video, and that's pretty much that. Okay, another delivery today. Hopefully this is the solar charge controller. Things are never easy to get out. Alright, there we go. installation disc, user manual, power cables, and the cable to program it via the computer, and the charge controller, which is an NPP solar PCN60X charge controller. There we go. So once we get it all set up, we'll do a more detailed video on it. Quite a chunky little unit, so it is. It's got a nice bit of weight in it. Good heat sink on the back. Alrighty. What else do we get? Got another parcel. Let's see what this is. That's the DC surge protector. Okay, YouTubers, so today the postman came and we got this little parcel. This is the battery management system for the lithium cells. And this is a Batrium management system. I had a good look on the internet and looked at lots of other 18650 projects, and it appears to be that the Batrium system is pretty much the best one you can get. Now, it is fairly pricey. Go onto their website and you can have a look and see how much it is. But I figured if this is the thing that stops the batteries going bang and going up in a big ball of flames, then you got to spend the extra money, don't you? So let's have a look inside. Oh, get a knife for that. Okay, there you go, so you can understand what the words, in case you don't understand my accent too well, being from Scotland and all, even though I don't live there, I live in Australia. Batrium. A bag of wires and ringlets. Firmware update required. See that? Put that off to one side for the minute. These parts, these are the parts that go onto the batteries. I won't take it all, every one of them out, it's a bit pointless. But these are what they call longmons, and these are the actual parts that monitors the batteries. It's got a black resin heatsink coating on them, and that's what measures the battery voltage, takes temperature and balances the actual packs themselves. There's loads of videos online about this whole system, so they're more in depth in it than what I am. I won't know how everything operates until I set it up and have a play with it. Just thought I'd do a quick unboxing video, just to let you see. And this, yep, this is probably the shunt. Yep, that's the shunt. quite a impressive looking shunt. That goes on the negative side of the battery. It's got there 500 amps and 50 megavolts MV. So yeah, put that back in there. Let's put some of them out so we can see what we got. I don't know if you'll see that too well because it's on a black background. It's just my kitchen work surface. That's just an Ethernet cable and a little screwdriver. And that's the brains of it, the Watchman 4. As I say, that was the Longmons. There's 14 Longmons because you have 14 packs, battery packs. There we go. That's the Vatrium BMS battery management system. That will hopefully protect the whole system and keep the batteries in balance, and I do believe that this is all, you can monitor all this via your Wi-Fi, so I think you can get it on your, obviously get it on your PC or your tablet or stuff like that. So that was just a quick video to show you. We'll do another video when it actually comes to setting this up on the batteries. Alright, thank you.